Why you are still broke at $5,000 a month. Let me ask you something. If someone told you 5 years ago that you would be making $5,000 a month, what would you think? You would probably say, I made it. I am good. I won't be stressed about money anymore. But here you are, making $5,000 a month and you are still broke. Your bank account is low before the month ends. You feel anxious when bills hit. You are not building wealth. You are not investing consistently. You are not financially free. So what happened? How can someone making $60,000 a year still feel like they are surviving instead of thriving? Today, I am going to break down exactly why you are still broke at $5,000 a month and, more importantly, how to fix it. And I promise you it's not what you think. Section 1, $5,000 a month is not rich. Let's get something clear first. $5,000 a month sounds good, but after taxes, depending on where you live, you are probably taking home around $3,800 to $4,200. Now let's break that down. Rent $1,500 to $2,000. Car payment $400 to $600. Insurance $200 to $300. Groceries $400 to $600. Gas $200 to $300. Utilities plus phone plus internet $300 to $500. Subscriptions $50 to $200. And we have not even talked about eating out, travel, shopping, emergencies, student loans, credit card debt. Suddenly that $5,000 does not feel like much. And here's the first truth. You are not broke because you don't make enough. You are broke because your lifestyle grew faster than your income. Section 2. Lifestyle inflation is killing you. When you were making $2,500 a month, you survived. Then you started making $5,000. And instead of upgrading your savings, you upgraded your life. You moved into a nicer apartment. You bought a newer car. You started ordering Uber Eats instead of cooking. You justified the $7 coffees. You financed the iPhone. Why? Because you felt like you deserved it. And you do deserve comfort. But comfort without control is financial suicide. Most people increase their expenses with every raise. That's why someone making $5,000 feels the same stress as someone making $2,000. The problem is not income, the problem is expansion. Section 3. You don't track your money. Let me be honest, if I asked you right now, how much did you spend last month, you would guess. And guessing is dangerous, because what you measure, you manage. Most people check their bank account like this. If it's not negative, I am fine. That's not a plan, that's survival mode here. What's actually happening, small leaks are draining you. $20 here, $45. Their $120 subscription you forgot about, $300 weekend you did not mean to spend. You are not broke from one big mistake, you are broke from 50 small untracked ones. Section 4. You are addicted to looking successful. This one hurts. You are not trying to build wealth, you are trying to look like you have wealth. There's a difference. You post the vacation. You flex the car, you upgrade the wardrobe, you split expensive dinners. But behind the scenes, credit cards. No investments, no emergency fund. Here's the truth. Wealthy people understand rich looks expensive. Wealth looks boring. The millionaire next door is not flexing, he's investing. Section 5. You have no emergency fund. If your car breaks down tomorrow, can you pay for it in cash? If you lose your job, can you survive 6 months? If the answer is no, you are not financially stable even at $5,000 a month. An emergency fund is not optional. It's your foundation. Without it, every unexpected expense becomes a crisis, and crisis forces debt. Debt keeps you broke. Section 6. Your car is robbing you. Let's talk about it. That car payment, it's eating your future. A $500 car payment, invested monthly at 8% for 10 years, becomes over $90,000. Instead, it's depreciating in your driveway. Cars are emotional purchases. We convince ourselves, I need reliability, I deserve something nice, it's only $500. But $500 is not just $500. It's opportunity cost, and opportunity cost is invisible but deadly. Section 7. You don't invest. This is the big one. At $5,000 a month, you should be investing. Even $500 a month consistently builds serious wealth. But most people don't invest because I will start next month. I don't know how. I need more money first. Let me say something clearly. You don't need more money, you need better habits. Investing is not about how much you make, it's about consistency. Section 8. You are trading time for money. At $5,000 a month, you probably have a job, and that job owns your time. If you stop working, the money stops. That's not wealth, that's dependency. You are stuck in a loop. Work, get paid, spend, repeat. There's no asset building, no ownership, no leverage. Until you build income that does not require your daily presence, you will always feel behind. Section 9. You don't have a clear financial goal. What are you aiming for? $10,000 saved, $100,000 invested. Financial freedom. By 40, most people don't know, so they drift. Money without direction disappears. Money with a mission multiplies. If you don't assign your money a purpose, it will fund distractions. Section 10. You think you need more money to fix this. This is the biggest lie. I just need to make more. No, if you can't manage $5,000, you won't manage $10,000. More income amplifies your habits. If your habits are weak, more money makes you more broke, just at a higher level. Imagine this: you keep your lifestyle stable, you invest $1,000 a month, you build a second income stream in 5 to 10 years. You are not stressed. You are not paycheck to paycheck. You have options, and options are the real definition of wealth. If this video hit you a little too hard, good, that means it's real. Drop a comment. What's one expense I am cutting this month? And if you want more content about money discipline and building real wealth, subscribe. Because $5,000 a month should not feel like survival. And if you play this right, it won't.